What if I told you that Google, a company famous for its search engine and ads, is quietly building a new empire by winning over the very companies that are trying to replace them? You see, while everyone is focused on the race between Google, OpenAI, and a dozen other labs to build the next great AI model, the real battle is happening behind the scenes, in the cloud. We all know Amazon's AWS and Microsoft's Azure have dominated the cloud computing world for years. But a new shift is happening, and it's being driven by the one thing everyone needs to run their AI models. That is massive computing power. Google Cloud just landed two of the hottest AI coding startups, Lovable and Windsurf, as new customers. This isn't about who has the biggest market share right now. That's still AWS and Microsoft. This is a story about momentum. Google Cloud is seeing an upward trend, with its revenue hitting a $50 billion annual run rate and signing an incredible $58 billion in new revenue commitments. But how are they doing it? Well, it turns out the key is the very same AI startups they are competing with. Google is making a bet that by supporting these emerging players today, they'll become the giants of tomorrow. This strategy is working. The company now works with 9 of the 10 leading AI labs, including some of their biggest competitors like OpenAI. And they've seen a 20% increase in new AI startups choosing their platform in the last year alone. For these startups, the cloud isn't just where they store their data. It's the lifeblood of their business. Training and running these cutting-edge AI models requires an insane amount of computational horsepower, a demand that has turned the global cloud market into a $500 billion industry. So while it might seem counterintuitive for a company like Google to power its rivals, what they're really doing is securing their place at the center of the AI gold rush. They are positioning themselves not just as a builder of AI, but as the essential infrastructure for anyone who wants to build, grow, and innovate in the AI space, no matter how big or small. It's a brilliant long-term play that could completely reshape the tech landscape. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be reading them all.